Hey guys, welcome back. Now today's video is such an exciting one because it is the video to celebrate my 5,000 subscribers. Yay, we did it finally. Yes, I have finally hit 5,000 subscribers and it is so exciting that I can't even talk. It is so exciting, and obviously it is all thanks to you guys. So first of all, a great big thank you to each and every one of you who has watched my videos, subscribed to my channel, left a comment, liked the video, any of those things. Thank you so much. This video is all about you guys. I've been doing YouTube for like 3, almost 4 years now, which is a pretty long time. As I've said before, it is not where I want to stop, not where I want to be, and my big goal has always been 10k. Like, I've just wanted to make 10k. That's just been my goal for such a long time, and we finally got halfway there, and I am so damn excited. It happened probably like a week or so ago, and we're actually already on like 5,150 at this point, so that's really exciting for me. I feel like that's a lot quicker growth than it had been for a while, so I'm really happy with it, and I'm hoping by the end of this year that I want to hit that 10k. Really want to get there, really want to push hard this year and make 2019 the year that I actually reach 10,000 subscribers. Originally I was not going to do a giveaway at 5,000, but because you guys are so amazing, any opportunity that I have to thank you guys, I really need to do it. Doesn't even make sense. I don't know what I'm talking about. I do want to thank you guys, so I thought I would do a small giveaway. It's not a big one, so sorry, I am a very poor YouTuber. So it's just going to be a small one, but it is open to everyone internationally, and one of you will score this giveaway that I'm doing today. But before we move on to all the giveaway details, there was just a couple of things I wanted to mention. Some of you may have found it already, but I have recently created a new Instagram page completely dedicated to beauty. Some of you may follow my main page, but it's not really a whole lot to do with beauty, and because a lot of people in my like normal life, that doesn't really make sense, but like people I know personally and stuff follow me a lot on it, so I found like I couldn't really freely talk about beauty or post beauty things because people were uninterested in it. So I decided that I would finally start a new page and have this space to talk about, post all things about beauty, because obviously I'm super passionate about it, and it's kind of different to YouTube where I have to like film and set up and edit. It is something I can do more frequently, and kind of like a platform I can chat with you guys a lot easier as well. I will leave it here for you guys to check out. It is just called tinaBeauty. If you're not following my main page, you're more than welcome to go follow that as well, but this is going to be mainly the page that I post everything related to do with beauty and pretty much nothing else. Please go check that out. It's really exciting for me. I haven't been doing it for long, maybe like a month or so, but I have been loving it so far, and it's like a daily thing I can do and chat, and like it's just exciting, it's fun, so go check that out. The other thing is that I have it's not exactly a PO box, but pretty much the same thing. I do have an address now that people can send me things. I don't know if anyone wants to, like, stop being greedy, Tina, but I thought if you guys do want to send me any mail and stuff, I would be more than happy to receive them, obviously, and I have started including that address in the description, so you can check that out as well. That's another thing recently that's happened, that I actually have an address that people can send things to, so please go check that out if you want to, I guess. Jesus, my baby hairs are like having a field day today. They're just doing whatever they want, I'm sorry. But yeah, I guess that's the couple things I wanted to mention, along with my 5,000 woohoo, we made it announcement. And now we are going to move on to the giveaway. So as I said before, it is going to be an international giveaway. Everyone can enter it, and I will first show you guys what is included in it. They're all things that I've tried and tested and really liked, so I'm hoping you guys can try it out and like it as well. First, we have the silicone mask. I did introduce this in my top 10 Daiso products. It's basically a silicone mask to put on top of your sheet mask while you have it on, so it keeps it in place and stay hydrated, which I never do sheet masks without these, so I thought that is something people could try out. And to go with that, of course, a sheet mask. This is the Papa Recipe Bon Bee Honey Mask, which really liked after I purchased in Korea, so that's one for you guys to try out. The CosRX Acne Pimple Master Patch that I recently talked about in 2018 Best of Beauty, so that's like a lifesaver. Please try it out if you haven't already. A foaming net, which I was actually looking for one in Daiso and I couldn't find this, so this one is from Muji, the Japanese brand, but it's just classic foaming net. You guys know I love them. They are like the best thing ever. And to go with the foaming net, a foaming face wash. Super classic Sanka Perfect Whip, just the original one. Then we have the Det Clear Bright and Peel AHA and BHA peeling jelly. I introduced this way back and I have been using it for quite a while. A makeup item, the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, which you guys all know it is my favorite mascara, absolutely. So I chucked one of those in there. And the last is kind of just bits and pieces. They are like sample sizes of some of my favorite products from Wish Trend. So we got a sample of the Supple Preparation Unscented Toner, which I did introduce in my Best of Beauty 2018 as well. Favorite toner of 2018. And then we have the Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask, which I haven't done a review on yet, but I have been really liking it lately, so you can try that one out as well. And then the I'm from Mugwort Mask, which is really good to calm down sensitive skin or inflamed or acne prone skin, which I have been really liking as well. So we've got little sample sizes of those to try out. So that's everything included in the giveaway. As I said, it is open internationally, so everyone is free to enter, which is awesome. And hopefully there's something in there that sparks your interest, or all of the things in there that you want to try out. So yay, that's the giveaway. And lastly is how to enter the giveaway. So I'm going to have all of the details in the description for sure. But first, make sure you are subscribed to me on my channel. Click that subscribe button and then go over to my Instagram page at tinatanakaharris, my new one, and follow me there. And then lastly, please leave a comment below on what you would be most excited about if you won the giveaway. Like, out of all the products that I mentioned, what would be the most exciting thing for you to try? Would it be the Det Clear Peeling Gel, or would it be the silicone face mask, or will it be the classic Perfect Whip? Please let me know in a comment below. I am going to have the giveaway open for a week. I would like to keep it open for longer, but I'm actually going to be flying out to Florida and I'll be gone for a month, which means you guys are not going to get the package for like forever. So I'm just going to have it for a week. Once the winner is chosen, I will be announcing it through the community tab on my YouTube page and then also on my Instagram. So make sure you are following my beauty Instagram at tinatanakaharris, because I'm going to be announcing it there as well, and it's probably going to be the easiest way for people to find it out. And then one more thing, this is kind of like a present for myself and maybe someone else, I don't know. The watch brand Daniel Wellington reached out to me and they gifted me this lovely set. I haven't opened it yet, so I thought I'll open it with you guys because I'm excited. I was just like looking at their site and this looks expensive. It's like, I am not like a huge watch person because one, I can't buy them because they're usually quite expensive, but I never wear jewelry like on my wrist, so I'm really excited for it because I do wear earrings, I do wear necklaces, I do wear rings, but I don't actually own many bracelets or anything to put on my wrist, so this is really exciting for me. Ooh. Let's open it up. There are two sets in there. I wonder why there's two sets in there. I'm gonna open up one of them and let's have a look-see to see what it's like. I'm really excited. Ooh, another box. I love the packaging, it's so fancy. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys before I like put it on. I'm getting too excited. Oh gosh, I'm gonna feel so fancy wearing this shirt. So this is what it looks like. It comes with the watch and the bracelet, and apparently it is like a limited edition cherry blush color or something, which I'm super stoked about because honestly, this kind of color, like, obviously I wear it all the time. I love my burgundies. It'll go a lot with the makeup I do. Oh, I look so fancy, guys. And then also the bracelet. Ooh, look at me being fancy. So here's the set. It is a watch and bracelet set, which is apparently limited edition. They're doing it for the Lunar New Year, which I think is really cool. It is limited between January 15 and February 19th. This nice like burgundy cherry color. I will have it in the description, but you can use the code TTHDW. So it's like Tina Tanaka Harris Daniel Wellington DDH. Oh my god, I can't even say it. For 15% off, I will leave that in the description as well. I do really like the design. One, I like the burgundy color, but I also like how it's like a pink rose gold, because I'm all about the rose gold. So I'm gonna leave all the details below in the description for you guys to check out if you do want to have a look at their site and their pretty watches and jewelry. This is like too fancy for me, in all honesty. And there is possibly a reason why I have another set. So please check out the description and see what it's all about so you guys don't miss out. So please make sure you subscribe, follow me on there, leave a comment to enter the giveaway. really exciting. But most of all, really huge thank you to all of you. I seriously appreciate it so much. I enjoy making videos, putting them up, people commenting, having conversations with you guys. It's been really good and exciting recently, and I'm just excited for all the new stuff that I'm going to be putting out in 2019, all the new content. So let's do this. Let's make the 10K. Is that the wrong way? 10? Let's do that. Let's make the 10K happen in 2019. I'm so excited to do another year with you guys. So let's enjoy and have fun. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.